नमस्ते मेरे प्यारे बच्चों. How are you all? Okay, my dear kids, welcome to our Hindi online class. Now, last class we started new lesson, right? Prerak Prasanga. In that we learned about Abdul Kalam. Today we are going to learn about another great person. Okay, my dear kids, take your page number 24. Okay, my dear kids, I'm going to read. Listen carefully. Khayal Chidiya, injured bird. Khayal Chidiya means injured bird. एग्नस, तुम वहाँ मिट्टी में क्या कर रही हो? माँ ने छोटी सी बालिका को पुकारते हुए कहा. माँ, मदर इज कॉलिंग ऑन स्मॉल गर्ल. शी इज कॉलिंग हर डॉटर एंड टेलिंग एग्नस, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग इन दैट मड? माँ, वो मैं she was not able to see. She was hiding something. हिचकिचाती बालिका मिट्टी से सने कपड़ों को छाटते हुए उठ खड़ी हुई. She was fully, her dress was filled with mud and she was shaking her dress and telling, Ma, way more, Ma, mother, that this like that and all. She didn't say what it is. अरे तुम यहाँ पट्टी दवाई लिए क्यों बैठी हो? Why are you keeping this bandage and also the medicine and all? Why are you keeping with you? ये तुम्हारे हाथ में क्या है? What is in your hand? Something she was hiding in her hand. So for that use only she is keeping that medicine and that bandage. माँ ने बालिका द्वारा अपने नन्हे हाथों में छिपाए जा रहे जीव को देखकर पूछा. She was seeing that something she was hiding in her, some creature is there in her hand, and by seeing that only she is asking, what is there in your hand? माँ, ये चीची चिड़िया है. This is one small bird. बालिका ने उत्तर दिया. बालिका replied, तुम इसे हाथ में लिए क्या कर रही हो? What are you doing with this bird? उसे छोड़ दो. Leave that bird. and उसमें उसे आसमान में उड़ने दो. Let that bird, let it to fly. Don't keep it with you. Leave it and let it to fly in the sky. माँ ने चीची को बालिका के हाथ से छुड़ाने का प्रयास करते हुए कहा. She was taking that from her hand and telling, leave that bird. Why are you keeping with you? Let it to fly in the sky like that. माँ, इसे चोट लगी है. Then that small girl is telling, माँ, mother, for it has got injured. It has got injured. मैं इसे दवा लगा रही हूँ. I am keeping medicine for that. It got injured. I am keeping medicine for that. चोट means injury. Dawa means medicine. Okay, if you want the meanings of that means you can write. Okay, chot, injury, injury, injury. Dawa, medicine, medicine. छी की चोट दिखाते हुए बालिका ने कहा. She was showing that injury, what it happened for that bird, and telling that, माँ, this got injured. I am keeping medicine for that. माँ बालिका की दया भावना देखकर चकित रह गए. For this small bird, how kindness she is showing. By seeing that mother felt so excited, so surprised. बालिका ने अगले कुछ दिन तक चिड़िया की देखभाल की और उड़ने की काबिल होते ही उसे नीले गगन में पंख फैलाकर उड़ने के लिए छोड़ दिया. What she had done next some days she was taking care of that bird very carefully, and when it became able to fly on the sky, it made it to fly. She left it to fly on the sky. उड़ने के लिए छोड़ दिया. She left it, that bird, to go and fly on the sky. यह नन्ही बालिका आगे चलकर मदर तेरेसा के नाम से प्रसिद्ध हुई. This girl only in future she became famous as her name as Mother Teresa. She was known. You know about Mother Teresa, right? She is very kindful lady. She died now. Now she is no more. She is a very kindful person. So this girl only, when she was girl only, this incident happened. One small bird fell down and it got injured, and this girl was taking care of it like a small kid, and when it was able to fly, till that she was taking care of it and putting medicines and all, then left it to fly in the sky. This girl only future she became famous as Mother Teresa. What is the life of her मदर तेरेसा? इनका जन्म 27 अगस्त 1910 को यूगोस्लाविया के कोब्जे नगर में हुआ. She born on 27 August 1910 in Yugoslavia, Kobe, one town named Kobe. There only she born. 5th September 1997 में मृत्यु हुई. She died on 1997 5th September 5 she died. Okay, then मुख्य तथ्य what and all she done. 18 वर्ष की उम्र में नन बनने का निर्णय लिया. When she was 18 years, she decided to become sister. Nun means N-U-N, nun, that only. She want to become the sister. Sister means in the church and all somebody will be there, na, that one. 1928 में अपना देश घर परिवार छोड़ एंडाली स्थित सेंट मेरी स्कूल में शिक्षिका के रूप में भारत आ गई. What she has done in 1928, she left her family, she left her place, everything, and she came to India and she became the teacher for Italy the St. Mary School. She became the teacher for that St. Mary School. In 1928, she left all her family, she left all this, she left her place. She was in Yugoslavia, right? There also she left everything and she came to India. Then Upalabdhiya, what and all awards she got, what and all awards. Sisters of Charity द्वारा स्थापित 100 से अधिक स्कूल चलाना. She has made a Sisters of Charity that they organized some schools. She only was taking care of that one. मदर हाउस स्थापित कर ईश्वर और उनके लोगों की सेवा करना. She built one mother house named on like a home and she was keeping ईश्वर और उनके लोगों की सेवा करना. Like so ईश्वर means Jesus Christ or and his Sevikai means like sisters only. She was taking care of that persons. Then निर्मल हृदय सेवाश्रम की स्थापना कर मृत प्राय लोगों की सेवा करना. निर्मल हृदय named one ashram she built and she was taking care of the who was there in the bedridden persons and all she was taking care. Then निर्मल शिशु भवन स्थापित कर अनाथ शिशुओं का पालन पोषण करना. Then निर्मल शिशु भवन named one institution she in an ashram she made and she was taking care of the अनाथ orphan children and all. Then पुरस्कार, what are the awards she got? 1962 में पद्मश्री, 1972 में जवाहरलाल नेहरू पुरस्कार, 1979 में नोबल शांति पुरस्कार, 1980 में भारत रत्न. These prizes and all she got. Then next you see another person, चित्र बने मित्र. चित्र, that picture became friend. Who is that one? We can see that. सतीश, बेटा सतीश, तुमने कमरे का यह क्या हाल बना रखा है? हाथों में इतना सारा रंग क्यों लगा है? माँ ने सतीश के कमरे की अस्त व्यस्त हालत देखी तो चुंझला कर ये सारे प्रश्न कर बैठी. Sadish's mother was asking, when Sadish, one boy was there, his mother was asking by seeing the scattered things which is there on their room, and she was asking question to Sadish, son Sadish, what you made in your room? What is the condition of your room? Why it became like this? Why your hand full of color is there? Why it is like that? She is asking. वह एक दुर्घटना में सुनने की शक्ति गंवा चुका नन्हा सतीश माँ के हाव भाव देखकर समझ गया कि वे नाराज हैं. See that boy was deaf because in an accident her hearing sense it went, so he can't hear what others are telling. So by seeing the actions of his mother, he understood that his mother is angry, नाराज है. गवा चुका मीन्स लॉस्ट. उसे अचानक उसे माँ को खुश करने की तरकीब सूझी. तरकीब मीन्स idea. Tarkib, idea. Suddenly she was searching the idea to make his mother happy. What we should do to make my mother happy, like that he was thinking. उसने चट से माँ के हाथों में अपना बनाया एक चित्र रख दिया. What she has done, suddenly he kept one picture he made. He is very good in drawing. So what drawing he made, that drawing he kept suddenly on his mother's hand. Then अरे वाह, यह तो बहुत सुंदर चित्र है. अरे वाह, इट्स वेरी गुड, इट्स वेरी ब्यूटीफुल दिस पिक्चर. यह तुमने बनाया है. दिस वन यू मेड. शाबाश बेटा, वेरी गुड माय डियर. माँ ने खुशी के आंसू पोंछते हुए कहा. शी फेल्ट in her eyes tears came because of happiness and she was telling this one, very good my dear, you have done this one, like that. वे खुशी थी कि उनके बेटे ने सन्नाटे की दुनिया से खुद को बाहर निकलने का रास्ता खोज लिया है. शी फेल्ट वेरी हैप्पी दैट शी वॉज हर सन इज इन डार्कनेस, राइट. he can't see what he can't hear what it is what others are telling. In that darkness even this sannate means silence. In that silence even this my son has searched idea to come outside from that. So by thinking that his mother felt so happy. चित्रों का अपना मित्र बनाकर खुश रहना सीख लिया है. चित्रों का he decided to make the pictures as his friend and he pictures as his friend. He decided to make the pictures as his friend. तभी पिताजी कमरे में दाखिल हुए और माँ के हाथों से चित्र लेकर देखने लगा. Suddenly his father is entering in his room and seeing that, taking the picture what it is in his mother hand and what he is doing. परंतु उनके मुख पर खुशी की बजाय नाराज़गी, instead of happiness his face was filled with angry and गुस्से के फावते and he was very sad and he was very angry. उन्होंने चित्र एक और फेंक दिया. He was throwing that picture on one side and what he is doing, हाथ में लाई किताबें सतीश को दबाकर गुस्से से बाहर चले. He was keeping some books with him and that book he was keeping in Sadish's hand and he was suddenly going outside from the room. पिताजी को बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं था कि बेटा चित्रकार बने. His father doesn't like that his son has to become a artist. He doesn't like that one. उनका मानना था कि उनके बेटे को पढ़ लिखकर किसी और पेशे को अपनाना चाहिए. He wants his son to become another any job. He wants that only. So he don't want his son to become an artist. वह कितना उदास रहता है. अगर चित्र बनाकर उसे खुशी मिलती है तो हमें भी उसकी खुशी में खुश होना होगा. Then his mother is telling you how happy he is by drawing the pictures and all. If he is getting happiness in that means we also should be happy, like that his mother is telling to his father. उसे अपने पैरों पर खड़े होने में मदद करनी होगी. We want to make him to stand in his legs. He want to stand in his legs means if he is happy in drawing means we want to help him. We want to help him to stand in his own legs. माँ ने पिताजी को समझाते हुए कहा और बैठक से बाहर चली गई. Then what she is doing, then after that by saying after that she is going from the room. उस दिन पूरी रात पिताजी के कानों में माँ के कहे शब्द गूंजते रहे. That night fully his father was like his father's ears, like mother's words, what the mother was telling. It was coming like an echo that his mother, what and also this mother was telling, that everything it came to father's ears as an echo. अगले दिन उन्होंने सतीश के लिए चित्रकारी का बहुत सा सामान खरीदा. नेक्स्ट डे what he is doing, he bought so many things related to this drawing and उसे लेकर वे सीधा सतीश के पास पहुँचे. आफ्टर दैट by taking that everything he is going straightly to सतीश room. देखो बेटा, तुम्हारे लिए ढेर सारे रंग और ब्रश. सी माय डियर सन, आई ब्रॉट सो मैनी कलर्स एंड ब्रश फॉर यू. अब तुम अपने इन मित्रों के साथ जितना चाहे समय बिता सकते हो. इफ़ यू नाउ यू कैन बी इन विथ योर फ्रेंड्स स्टिल how much you want. Who is his friend? that pictures only. So you want to be with your friends means you can be with you. You are happy in that means I don't have any objection, you be with them. Like that his father is telling. सतीश ने शायद पिताजी के हाव भावों को ही नहीं उनके कहे शब्दों को भी साफ साफ समझा था. What and all he understood that what the father without he can't hear, right? So by seeing the actions and all what the father was telling, he understood everything what maybe he said. Like that also what he said also he understood by seeing the actions what he was showing. उसने खुशी से पिताजी को गले लगा दिया. He felt so happy and he was hugging his father. कुछ दिनों बाद पिताजी ने एक अच्छे कला विद्यालय में उसका दाखिला करवा दिया. What is he doing? After some days he was admitting his son to a good art school. Like that one art school is there he is going and admitting his son there. आने वाले समय में नन्हा सतीश एक प्रसिद्ध चित्रकार बना. आफ्टर दैट व्हाट हैपन, ही बिकेम ए फेमस आर्टिस्ट. इस नन्हे बालक का पूरा नाम सतीश गुजराल है. ही इज ए फेमस आर्टिस्ट सतीश गुजराल. ही बिकेम ए फेमस आर्टिस्ट. हिज फुल नेम इज सतीश गुजराल. ही इज ए वेरी फेमस आर्टिस्ट. व्हाट एंड ऑल ही डन, लेट मी सी. जीवन काल, इनका जन्म 25 दिसंबर 1925 में झेलम पश्चिम पंजाब में हुआ. ही बॉर्न ऑन 25 दिसंबर 1925 इन झेलम वेस्ट पंजाब. पश्चिम पंजाब मीन्स वेस्ट पंजाब. देन शिक्षा एजुकेशन, व्हाट एंड ऑल एजुकेशन ही हैज डन. 1952 to 54 में ब्रेल आर्ट की पढ़ाई पूरी की. ब्रेल आर्ट मीन्स दोस हू कांट हियर ना, सो दैट आर्ट he has done. ब्रेल आर्ट की पढ़ाई पूरी, ही फिनिश्ड दैट वन. देन 1944 to 47 में ललित कला में डिप्लोमा किया. फाइन आर्ट्स, ही गॉट डिप्लोमा इन फाइन आर्ट्स ऑन 1944 to 1947. देन 1933 to 1934 में फित्ती चित्र की पढ़ाई पूरी की. फित्ती चित्र मीन्स वॉल पेंटिंग. दैट ऑल्सो ही लर्नड ऑन 33 to 34 दैट ईयर. देन उपलब्धियाँ, व्हाट आर अचीवमेंट्स ही हैज़ डन. उनके चित्रों को 20वीं सदी के दुनिया में के बेहतरीन चित्रों के रूप में अंतर्राष्ट्रीय आर्किटेक्ट मंच द्वारा चयनित किया गया. व्हाट हिज चित्र, दिस पिक्चर्स एंड ऑल वाज सेलेक्टेड ऑन 20th सेंचुरी. दुनिया के बेहतरीन चित्रों के रूप में इट इज़ द बेस्ट पिक्चर्स. हु सेलेक्टेड दैट वन? अंतर्राष्ट्रीय International Architect Manch has selected his pictures as the world's best pictures on this 20th century. Then पुरस्कार, what and all prizes he got. उनके प्रेरणा पूर्वक जीवन पर कई डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्में बनाई चुकी हैं. by seeing his inspiring life, so many documentary film everything has done made because of by seeing his related to his inspiring life on so many documentary film and all they made. वर्ष 2014 में इन्हें NDTV इंडियन ऑफ द ईयर से नवाजा किया. देन 2014 he was awarded as the NDTV Indian of the year. Like he was awarded as the NDTV Indian of the year. He was awarded. So that much only. One more person is there that we will learn on the next class. This much you learn, my dear kids. If how much you can, you read and record it and send it to me. One or two, so many students are sending. I'm so happy in that. So please send how much you can, you please send and record it and send it to me. Okay, my dear kids. That's all for today. धन्यवाद मेरे प्यारे बच्चों.